So look at this symbol. This is soon with rightwards arrow above. So to create this symbol, that is soon with rightwards arrow above. So to create this symbol in your computer using keyboard shortcut in Word, so you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you must follow this keyboard shortcut Alt 128284. Okay, I'll show you. First you must go to your computer keyboard and turn on the numlock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key. After that you must type here 1 2 8 2 8 4. Then you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that we have created this symbol. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.